What is up, guys? It's Marcella here. No, remember, I just remembered. We are calling me Marcy. So what is up, guys? My name is Marcy. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I just created this look today. Hopefully I'll have it up for tonight. That way you guys can create something tomorrow for Valentine's Day. I'm so excited because the last video I did was a little too crazy and I wanted to create something a little more realistic. This one is a little bit softer, still a little more romantic because it's softer and it's pink and it's just, you know, the good stuff. So don't forget to like my video and also subscribe. That way you get more videos on different looks because I like to create different types of looks. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So my skin is looking and feeling a little bit dry. So let's see. So I'm going to use the Clinique Moisture Surge Cream, the Clinique Moisture Surge Cream. And then for eyes, I've been using this little sample. This is the Believe in Truth Pete Miracle Revital Eye Cream. So I really like this eye cream because it really does hydrate your under eyes and around your eyes. But it also has kind of like a silicone-y feel. And it kind of gives my under eyes kind of like a base. Kind of like a primer. Alright, and then to add a little bit more, we're just going to add a little bit of Fix Plus. For brows, I'm going to be using the Brow Powder Duo from Anastasia. And to clean up the brows, because it just looks a little more uniformed, I'm going to use the ProLongwear Concealer. We're going to prep our lids with the 24-hour extended eye base. And then to set that, we're going to use the Studio Fix powder in NC20. For our transition color, I'm going to use this eyeshadow from MAC. This is from the Selena collection. This one is called Missing My Baby. So we're going to put this guy on our crease. For this look, we are going to be using the HUDA Beauty Palette Rose Gold Edition with a 217. It's kind of similar to that color, but this one is Shy, which is this pink one, kind of mauvey pink color. So we're going to use that to deepen it up a little bit more. And then to deepen it up, we are going to use Flamingo, which is this guy here. Same brush. I mean, you can also go from the Selena one straight into Flamingo, but I kind of like to pack on different eyeshadows just because it gives me a more softer blend. To deepen it up, we're going to use the 221 brush, and we're going to go with Man Eater. Now this one is more of a deeper red. This one we're going to kind of focus it on the outer portion. With the 239 brush, we are going to grab, I'm going to mix these two. So this is Bay and this one is Moon Dust. So I'm going to mix those two. We're going to go into Rose Gold here, which is this one. And we're going to pack this right on the lid. And then we're going to use my Costa Riche. This is just to tighten up that lash line. And we're going to put a little bit of mascara. So I'm just going to use my 48s because I only have crazy long lashes. And I wanted this look to be a little more softer, so. Alright, and then for foundation, I'm going to use something a little lighter. So I'm going to use the Designer Lift foundation from Armani. And this one is in the color 4.5. I'm just going to blend it with my Y6 Morphe brush. I'm going to use the number 40 from Kat Von D and the ProLongwear concealer. And then to set that, I'm going to use my Airspun powder and just a Real Techniques sponge. And while we bake, I'm just going to do my under eye. So same thing, I'm going to use my Costa Riche liner to create a softer kind of open eye look. And I'm going to focus that color on the outer portion of the eye. With the 239 brush, we're going to go back to Man Eater. And we're going to start buffing that. Then with the 221, we're going to go back with Shy. And we're going to buff that even more. So I don't know if it recorded the last part, but I used the Staunchly Stylish ProLongwear Lip Pencil from MAC, the Bad Medina Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Thanks Boo, and I topped it off with the Selena gloss in Bidi Bidi Bam Bam. And that's it. Alright guys, so that is it for this look. I hope this look was a little bit easier rather than the other one. The other one was a little out of this world, I should say. But here is this Valentine's Day look. I hope you enjoyed this look today, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!